How to start a plastic recycling factory in Nigeria. Nigeria is sitting on a treasure worth billions, and most people step over it every single day. Plastic waste. We produce over 2.5 million tons of it yearly. But here's the shocking part. More than 80% is never recycled. And yet, companies in Nigeria and around the world are desperate, literally desperate, to buy recycled plastic because virgin plastic prices keep rising. Today, I'm going to show you how this trash is becoming one of the fastest growing money machines in Nigeria and how you can start a plastic recycling plant without being a scientist. If you stay with me for the next few minutes, you'll see how a small plant processing just 2 tons a day can make 12 million naira profit every month. Most people think recycling is charity work. No, it's an industrial business with real margins. Nigeria imports over 6 billion worth of plastic products every year. Manufacturers are constantly searching for cheaper raw materials, and recycled PET, HDPE, and LDPE are the answer. Right now, demand for PET flakes, just crushed, washed plastic, is higher than supply. Factories literally queue for it. This is why recycling is becoming a goldmine for anyone who understands the system. And the craziest part, you don't need to go around picking waste yourself. Waste collectors, scavengers, community recyclers, waste trucks, these are your suppliers. You simply need to create a buying point and offer them 80 to 150 naira per kilo for PET bottles. They'll bring it to you constantly, consistently. In fact, many plants never run out of supply because the waste in our cities is overflowing. Once collected, the plastic is sorted, crushed, washed, and dried. That final product, PET flakes, sells for 350 to 600 naira per kilo depending on quality. But if you want to make serious money, the next stage is where the numbers explode. When you add a pelletizer, you melt the flakes and turn them into little plastic grains called pellets. These pellets sell for 700 to 1,200 naira per kilo. Why? Because manufacturers can easily use pellets directly in their machines to produce bottles, containers, packaging, pipes, and more. Pellets are world standard. This is what exporters pay top dollar for. And the setup cost is probably lower than you think. A small-scale plant, crusher, washer, dryer, can start between 15 million and 40 million. A fully equipped line that also produces pellets is more, but the margins double. Your biggest challenges? Power and water. Most successful plants use a mix of grid, generator, and sometimes solar to stabilize their operations. But equipment is only half the story. The government permits are actually much easier than people think. You register your company with a CSC, you get necessary compliance for environmental safety, your state ministry of environment gives you operational approval, you add a fire safety certificate. If you want to export flakes or pellets, you get SON certification and sometimes NAFTA, depending on the plastic grade. Compared to other manufacturing businesses, this is straightforward. So, now the big question, who exactly buys all this plastic? Who will buy your recycled plastics inside Nigeria? Bottled manufacturers, packaging factories, pure water companies, injection molding businesses, they all need recycled raw materials to cut costs. Recycled plastic reduces their production cost by up to 30%, which is massive. Outside Nigeria, there is an active export market for PET flakes and pellets, especially in Asia and parts of Europe. And now, let's answer the part everyone is waiting for, the money. How much you can really make. A plant processing just 2 tons per day at a margin of 200 naira per kilo generates roughly 12 million naira profit every month. Scale that to 5 to 10 tons and move from flakes to pellets, and the numbers increase dramatically. This is a business that creates jobs, cleans communities, and pays extremely well when run properly. If you're someone who wants to be part of Nigeria's industrial future, recycling is one of the most overlooked entry points with huge upsides. Are you doing this already? Do you plan to get into this? Or do you have an opinion about this? Or you want to find out more about this? There's one thing you need to do. Just go to the comment sections, okay?
Just so you know, this is for information only and not advice. Some details or policies might have changed by the time you're watching this.